Hello, wait a minute. Okay, am I live? Hold on. Because it's not. It came up on my thing that YouTube crashed. Okay, can y'all hear me? Because I don't see no comments. No comments are coming up. Something's going on with YouTube because it came up that YouTube crashed. And now I'm on, but I can't see anything. I can't see any comments. But it says I'm live. So I don't know if it says 8 people are watching. Let me see. Let me try. Let me see if I can hear something. Let me turn this up. Okay. So I don't know if it says 8 people. I can't see the comments. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I really don't. Because I cannot talk with you all without seeing the comments. Let me go out and come back in on my iPad and see if that'll help. Let me see, wait a minute. Oops, wait a minute. No, it's not that. It's not that.